I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the email address associated with your Venmo account on an Android device. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your Android device and then tap Me in the menu on the home screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of this screen. You'll land on the settings screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Preferences section and then tap Account. Your Venmo account screen is shown. Step 4. Scroll down to the Account Information section and then tap Profile. Step 5. Tap inside of the email field to make it editable. Enter what you want to be the new email associated with your Venmo account and then tap Save. This will be the new email associated with your Venmo account going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.